Multiply. Explosion of the world. World. Yes, I'm so. They're the only people online. What? I'm so mad. Ah! Ding ding. Woo! Bless me. Boing, 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 boing. 24 views, yeah. I have to like beat 24. Okay, let's react to this. King Kenny. Of course. Oh, King Kenny. Random calls. Muttering. I wish I could have that many views and subs one day. I don't even have 10. Buffalo King Kitten Run. This video is at first is ages, but oh, what is it? What is this? It's 9 and 9. That's where you should close it. I'm doing a quick food before I go to Tesco, buy some Mexicans, go to the doctors, and then go to school. And I can't even eat anything, guys. I can only drink water and I'm starving. I have to have McDonald's after. That sucks. online. Who else is online? Cause they're all at frickin' school. Seriously? Seriously? Alright, I'm just gonna play some Phantom Forces. Stylus Studios. That's a really stupid name. Go follow me on Roblox. Well, at least what's the name is in the house. Oh my god, it's cool. Go follow. Just go follow me on Roblox, please. No. Oh! Oh, my username's WolfAlexa, okay? Pew, pew, pew. Look, go follow me on Roblox. WolfAlexa, please. Please follow me. Look, if you even search it. Crap. Hey, I'm gonna search myself. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. See, there we are. Don't add the bacons. Don't know why. Just add me. Just click this handsome man. Crap that. Just follow me, please. Oh. Yes, true. Just click that and click follow. I have 100. Ooh, a ghost case. Case inventory. What? Open case, of course. Key can only be used once. I don't care, idiot. Ooh, no! No more ghost cases to vault. Ah, well, that sucks. Ooh! Equips. Menu just one. There you go. How do I go back, people? Back to load up. Back to menu. Oh my god. Hiya! Where are you, idiot? Hold on, I haven't got any ammo. Someone's over here. I don't play this game, alright? I play freaking Arsenal. How do I get it? Ah! People know. People know. What? No, no. How do? Oh yes. What just happened? Yes, please. Oh my god. Hi. He's lagging so badly. Alright, boys. Got the horses in the bag. La la. Ah! I swear to God. There, no, you can't kill me. Ah! Idiot. You idiot. Let's go to you, please. You, please, 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 please. Deploy. Yes, I'm with my mates. Yeah. I got the horses in the... Mate, no. Oh! Oh, it's just you. Okay, you got me for a minute. Oh my god, boys. shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Dang, how can I like shoot from the sky? Sorry, no, my teammate! The horse is in the freaking bag. Oh, they died! Why, you idiots? Oh. Hold on. What does this freaking do? I think this gun's useless. What is that? Hold on, let me see if I had this before. Ooh. Yeah. This is the life. Okay, where's the idiots? Uh-oh. There we go. Team deathmatch. Okay, you can't see, but I can. I'm lagging. No! Die! Oh shoot. Oh shoot, it's just my teammates. Oh! Dang it! McDonald! Dang it! Help me, people! Help me, teammates, you idiot! Blood losses at the minute. Hey! Gimme! Oh crap! Oh shoot! Sorry. Crap! Oh, and next time I die, I'm literally gonna be pissed. Just go! I wanna be with Zeds. Zed is. Alright, okay, you made it fair and square. I didn't even get to load or run or just my mouse is annoying. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. Oh wait, hold on. 1 minute! Say hi. Floppy photos. A vacuum. Say hi to YouTube. Well, you better say hi to YouTube, bro. I'ma smack you, but no problem, eh? Yeah, everybody, I'm just gonna go to his profile. Come on. Freaking Fortnite. Hold on. Freaking Fortnite. Nobody likes Fortnite. Just to say. Tokyo! Yeah, if you want that or go Gorilla. Yeah, he's not gonna reply. Crap. Oh, I like that. For free! For free! And you can't do it sadly. I like zombie levitation. No. Flash. Scream in the bag. Yeah. Ay! It goes in my head. Okay, guys, that will be the end for today's video. See ya, like, peace out, bye.